Welcome back to my travel series where we're discovering an underrated region of the Canadian Rockies, the East Kootenays of British Columbia. This is part 3. If you haven't seen part 1 and 2 yet, I've got them linked. In this video, we're exploring some fun spots near Fairmont Hot Springs. Okay, the weather's nice again, so we headed back down to Fairmont Hot Springs. I've always wanted to check out Funtasia. It's like this highway outdoor fun park. There's mini golf, there's bumper cars, there's animals, there's like a picnic area. So we're starting with mini golf. I think it's getting pretty competitive. Ready to watch me drain this one? Oh yeah!
Should probably call a plumber. Because he drained it.
Funtasia is right across the street from where we were staying at the Fairmont Mountain Bungalows. We've stayed at these bungalows several times before, but we've never actually visited Funtasia. As you can see, it's a great spot for families with kids, but we're just a couple of big kids at heart, so we still had a blast. The reason for the smug face is because somehow this guy managed to get a hole in one.
She saw it.
Do you hear the little goat? After our much too competitive round of mini golf, we toured the property and visited all the farm animals. We fed goats, mini horses, and donkeys, and got to pet alpacas and bunnies. Honestly, from the side of the highway, this spot looks pretty unassuming, but it's actually a beautifully maintained property. There's lots of flowers and garden areas and a patio. I have to say, it's a bit pricey for what it is, but you could easily spend 2 hours here. So I'd recommend a stop if you're passing through the area or if you want to tire the kids out somehow. Following our Funtasia adventure, we went back to the cabins and spent some time in the brand new pool and hot tub. After our soak, we weren't quite ready for dinner, so we went to scope out the Fairmont Natural Hot Springs. These are the natural rock pools with the warm waterfall behind the commercialized Fairmont Hot Springs facility. It had been 3 years since we last visited, so we wanted to see if they were still worth checking out. If you want more information about how to find these pools, I made a full video, which also includes 2 other natural hot springs you can visit nearby. And those ones are actually way cooler, so the video is linked. Definitely go give that a watch. Super enjoying this trip so far. We're about to have a couple beverages on the patio because it is nice out again. So it was raining earlier today, but then we got pockets of sunshine. So we hit the hot springs, we did Funtasia mini golf, pet all the animals. Now we're just cooking up some barbecue chicken and just gonna chill outside, listen to the birds chirping, and enjoy a nice quiet evening. Cheers!
Lay fire.
Thank you. It's our last morning here. Sadly, we're leaving today, but we have a couple more adventures planned. We're gonna go check out the Fairmont Natural Hot Springs again, just to see if we can maybe get them all to ourselves. So it's been a really good trip so far. Kind of sad to leave the mountains, but it's been a good 4 days. We decided the hot springs were definitely worth checking out, so we got up early and made it there just before 7:30 in the morning. And we had the water all to ourselves. Well, that's it for the trip for us this time. From here, I'm gonna say catch you in the next one. We had a fantastic 4 days in the East Kootenays. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'll be making more of these hopefully, so if you did like it, please give the video a thumbs up and stay tuned to my channel for more videos like this coming out, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.